But one of the biggest things that we see that's an issue or a problem is keeping that deck leveled periodically. So every 3 to 5 years or so, you want to make sure that someone comes in or you go in and level that deck, especially if it's on a pier and beam type setting. But even if it's on pillars in the ground or piers in the ground, that thing could still shift and move. Sometimes decks are attached to homes. Homes are moving and doing their thing with their foundation. The deck's doing its thing with its foundation. Sometimes they don't always exactly react the same way. And in those cases, we start to see buckling and shifting of the boards, buckling and shifting of the substructure, the framing of the deck, and then that causes other issues down the road. So we definitely recommend leveling your deck. But if you get those little things knocked out early and often, you don't have a big project and expensive project to take care of down the road.